Hi, I am Pulkit, founder of VenusMoon Education. Learning shouldn't be boring, and that's why we have built VenusMoon, an AI-powered platform that makes education engaging, interactive, and accessible to everyone. Let me show you how it works. Meet Ram AI, your one-on-one AI tutor. It breaks down complex topics step by step. So, say for example, we write here, please tell me about artificial intelligence, and the reply will come. So it will try to explain the concepts in very easy language. So here is its reply. Artificial intelligence is like teaching computers to think and learn like humans. So it is giving a very basic and real world example or learning of AI. Now let's see Rambo, which is our AI storyteller. So it transforms lessons into engaging narratives. Let's say we write here artificial intelligence.
In your lesson, lesson title, The Curious Robot's Quest. Lesson objective, understand the basics of AI and its purpose in our lives. In the land of Techville, a curious robot named Byte.
You can also play the next lesson by clicking the tick button. Alternatively, you can play a quiz as well. So it is asking for a quiz. What is the benefit of using AI in healthcare? So the first answer, faster diagnosis is the correct one. So it will give your feedback as well. So here is the feedback of AI. AI labs, hands-on learning. One of our key innovations is AI labs, where students can practice real-world applications of physics, artificial intelligence, coding without needing expensive lab setups. So here I am trying to set the mass of water and initial temperature and inputting the final temperature as well. So you can click run. So this is running and you will get the temperature here. You can try with other as well. With AI Nano, students can explore quick 90-second reads about AI, machine learning, and real world applications. Why we are applying to MIT Solve? At VenusMoon, we believe in making quality education accessible and interactive. We are applying to MIT Solve to connect with innovators, scale our impact, and reach more students worldwide. Thank you for your time.